Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate Ghibli style image. Now, this has been a popular topic recently, and why is everyone telling you to pay money? Why is everyone telling you to subscribe to ChatGPT? Now, if this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, let's head over to how to generate this image for yourself. Now, this is what I did. First of all, this is a recent one I did, and I did it for free. Like, if you see here, I'm not on a paid version of any stuff here. It's a totally free version. I don't pay. I've never paid ChatGPT, but I have. I've never. Like, I'm being serious right now. So this is how to generate it. Now, first of all, transform an image of James Bond. First of all, if there was a conversation I had with him, I said, ChatGPT, I asked him, can you transform Ghibli style image? He said yes, that it can. So I now said, transform an image of James Bond to Ghibli image. So now, he now suggested for me, I can generate a studio Ghibli style image or James Bond. Do you have a specific Bond actor in mind? Now I requested that I had Daniel Craig in mind. So, but the bottom line here is that it takes time. It takes time. It takes up to 20 minutes. You have to wait actually to get this done. So if you're on the free type, or maybe you have a picture so you want to do, you can easily just upload it here and get it done. You have to wait. That's just the bottom line. I don't pay. I've never like I've not paid for this stuff here. It's free, totally free. Now, so if you want to get another one done, you just have to click on the upload if you have anyone in mind that you want to upload. Now let's just ask something. Okay. I need another Ghibli styled image of James Bond and his dog. Now, under a tree. Now, so let's see what this can offer us. And like I said before, this is what you're going to expect. Of which I don't know if it's going to be a bit faster when you actually pay for it or when you're using a paid version. But like I said before, it took some time for this one to generate. I'm just brainstorming this stuff here, right? I have never paid and I have not paid and I'm not ready to pay. So, but now let's check and see if it's going to. You see, it's already loading up. It didn't even take that much time, so we're going to just wait for it and see it before we end the video. We see what we ordered. So, if you want to generate, feel free to give a prompt. You can give any prompt. You can actually upload. But in my next video, I'm going to check the upload to know if it works. But I've been using the prompt side of it, and it has been working perfectly. It has been working perfectly. Like, honestly speaking, it has been working very perfectly. So I haven't had any lag so far using this prompt to generate my Ghibli style images. So if this video was helpful, guys, please feel free to like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment on my video. I'm teaching you guys how to get things for free. Like, it's going to take a bit of a time, but surely it's going to load up. It's going to load up. Maybe I'll share this in my next video when it's loaded. Let me just make this video as short as possible, but bear it in mind. This is it. Is getting started, honestly. So thank you guys. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.